pull out this pad nice and easy. You get those crap in there. Holy cow. Why is it looks like that? Alright, Honda Civic 2018. This is the Type R model with the Brembo brakes. We're gonna do a quick maintenance on this brakes right here. We're gonna clean the rotors, check the pads, and check everything. Let's get started. Alright, 22 lug nuts on this. Alright, so you can see brake pads right there. It looks alright, still good. We'll clean her up, make it nice and shiny. The rotor, lube up the pins, the backing plate, check the rotors. Alright guys, to take out these two pins right here, you're gonna need a couple things. A punch or a pin. This is what I got. Two different sizes, a hammer, and silicone spray. So this pins will come out nice and easy. So just spray the spot where you hitting that pin, just like that. Same thing on the retainer as well. Don't put too much, just a little bit. And then you're gonna use a punch. You could use a little bigger one if you want. Pull out this pad nice and easy. You get those crap in there. Holy cow. Why is it looks like that? Alright, just grab a pry bar or a flat screwdriver. We're gonna press this retainer down and pulling out this pin. There we go. Alright, the pressure of this retainer is loose. Now it'll be easy to come out. Take those out, clean it. Alright, so the inner pads and the outer pads, we're gonna take those out. You can use a flat screwdriver, jam it in here, push that piston out, or you can use this pad spreader, this heavy duty one. Press it out, and it moves, and then now you can, that looks like rocks or some kind of heavy material that jammed in here. Yeah, it looks like rocks or some kind of heavy material sits on top of these brake pads, and while the rotor is spinning, it gouge, and then have that. See how that rotor look like? It's like a, looks like a vinyl disc, bunch of round circles, lines, because of these pads right there. This is the worst. Look at that. Wow. To me, I would rather change this now. Something with the rotor, but this is still good. We can still drive this. We can still rock and enjoy these rotors and pads. Let's carry on. Let's clean this up. All right, so just use a brake clean on this one and a rag. Just gonna spray all over here. Get that thing cleaned up. All right, let's use this plastic brush right here to get all this dirt and this gunk out. All right, guys, check it out. That looks nice. It looks clean. Wow. Way better than before. All I use is a glass cleaner to get all that gunked out, and then wash it off with brake cleans. When you put the glass cleaner, just use a plastic Y brush, brush it all over the place here. It's not gonna scratch anything. And then brake cleans to rinse it off, and then clean rag to wipe everything down. Not bad. All right, let's put everything back together now. All right, the first one, slide this one back in. Then the second one. Alright guys, next one is the pin. So you can see this one is clean, this one is not. You can see the difference right there. I just use a Scotch-Brite on that. Just give a good wipe All right, there we go, nice and clean. Put this back in here. And then our retainers. This one doesn't matter which way it goes, up or down, they all looks the same to me. That one's in. Put the next one in. Just grab a pry bar or a flat screwdriver, just press it down. So you press this one down while you're hitting the pin with the hammer. There you go. All the way in there. Some Brembo brakes on Subarus and stuff, ST, I did got a pin right here to lock it down, cotter pin, but on this one there's no cotter pin. Now it looks good, secured, clean, looks better. I'm gonna just wipe this off here. Scotch-Brites on this one right here. Get that rust out. And then brake cleans after. Alright, that's it guys. Took this to spec. And then everything is all set. It looks sick. Thanks for watching.